Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. So in this video today we'll be learning how to use find and replace. It makes our work easier if we know how to do find and replace. Then let me cite an example. Imagine for all the formula here, this whole place, I need to change something regarding the formula, and I will have to do it one after the other. It's going to be tedious, right? Now let's see how we can do it easily. Now you see I've highlighted everything. After highlighting everything, take note of what you want to find and what you want to replace. Now for instance, I want to find this BROAS3. that is the word I want to go and find, and then I want to replace it with something else. So I'm going to show you. The next thing you should do after highlighting all is to Ctrl H. Click on Ctrl H. Can you see? Find what? Now I am finding B. Let me remove it so you can see what I'm looking for. This one, BROAS3. That is what I am looking for. Now what do I want to replace it with? I'm going to show you that. Okay, I want to replace it with another thing entirely. Okay, so this is what I want to replace it with. So after finding that particular thing and then you have imputed what you want to replace with, the next thing is to now click on replace all. Replace all. Okay, can you see? Well done, we have made 60 replacements. Now you will notice I have distorted what I have here, and so it's giving me negative some random things. That's because I just did that to show you how to do it. So I'm going to do it back. I'm going to do it back. So this time around, what are we looking for? We are looking for this one, these broads. No, we want to replace this one. All right, so this time around, presently, look at what we have. These broads is what we have, so we are going to type that one under find what do we want to replace it with. Now I will now type in what I want to replace it with. This is what I want to replace it with, so I'll click on replace all, and then I am good to go. Can you see? So that is how to go about find and replace. It makes your work easier. Instead of, imagine I want to start imputing what I want to change one after the other. It's going to take me a lot of time. Just imagine for this formula, it is having false here. Imagine I want to change the false for everything here. I want to change everything to true. I don't need to do it one after the other. Just highlight everything, and then you will find what? You will find false, and then replace it with what? Replace it with true. It works very well if you have large range of data you want to edit, and you don't want to edit it one after the other, and you are sure of the specific word you want to find. You are sure of the specific word you want to replace what you are finding with. It helps like that. I hope you have learned one or two things from this video today. Please subscribe so you can get one notification when I upload other video on our Excel series. See you in the next video. Thank you.